Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. They're going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the PaMu Slide True Wireless Earbuds, which come in a case like so. And off the bat you can see you've got Qualcomm aptX or aptX, whichever you want to say, which is pretty good. And let's check them out. So on the back of the box it'll tell you you've got Bluetooth 5.0, dual mics, you've touch buttons, IPX6 waterproof certification, 10 hours of playback. But you can get up to 60 hours battery with the charging case, which is pretty nice, and you can recharge your earbuds up to 5 times, so that's pretty cool. So you've got PaMu here, PaMu Slide on the front, nice presentation, which is always nice. And when you open up, this is what you're going to see here, and that's NBA star Spencer Dinwiddie there on the box, in case you're wondering who this chap is. So let's have a look. So you get this really cool case, so we're going to pop that out. We'll pop out these as well, and the rest of the contents. So you do get a nice pouch in here to store them in as well, which is nice, and you get your user guide there, and in here will be our earbuds and our USB-C cable. So note that it's USB-C the way forward and not backwards. So I'm going to pop that off on one side. So this case is pretty nice. It's probably the biggest case I've had on a true wireless earbud, which isn't a bad thing. So you've got charging here, so you can charge your device from this as well. You've got a power key here, you've got USB-C here, the branding here, nice textured finish, and it slides out like so. So it's good to see. I like to see different designs when it comes to charging cases, because there's a lot of different companies coming up with different ideas, such as these here which slide. You have Kygo here, which is a circular case, and really nice matte finish on this. And you've got another brand here, Studio, again similar kind of design but circular. And then you have the likes of Jabras, which is the flip top, and then of course your earbuds and earpads pro and whatever you want to call these things. That's it. But this is a nice design here. I like this. I'm going to pop these in and see if we have any more lights on the front, and we do. So they've got their charging status here, LEDs, which is pretty cool, and there's a nice weight on this as well, which is really nice, and it's a nice sturdy finish too. So let's see if these will fall out. Nope, they're not going to move. So if this opens, that will do that time, which can happen. It's pretty sturdy. What else do we need to know about these? So these have got Bluetooth 5.0, you've got Qualcomm aptX, which again I said earlier on, you've 10 hour playback, which you get and also double as digital charge all audio about ears, off the air, which controls IPX6 certified, USB-C fast